Hey folks, well, a quick update on my winch controller project. Maybe I was just trying to be too smart for my own good, but you know what? I think it's something to do with the deadband setting or what have you. I don't know if there's a way on the radio, I'll have to adjust it. But I put the servo potentiometer back on and everything's plugged in. Radio is turned on and the winch is not working right now. And there's out, there's in. So the concept works fine if you use the original potentiometer like the other fella on YouTube did. But my resistor plan just didn't work out. I don't know if I just got to get a certain accuracy of resistor or what. So in any case, that was a lot of work for nothing, but hey, you got to fail before you succeed, and that just didn't work out. Maybe I'll measure across here now that it's set to not move the winch at all and see what kind of resistance values I get on it. But regardless, still gives you an idea how you can make yourself a winch controller out of a dead servo. Just forget my resistor plan, use a potentiometer, get it centered, keep it from moving, hot glue, something like that along around there. You'll just have to package that in with the controller in some way. But you can see if I turn this just a little bit, you can see it starts moving. So it doesn't take much to get it started. So you got to get her just perfect. So that's got to be what it is. Just those resistance values have to be the exact right value for that control board. So, but in any case, until next time, take care and talk to you later.